Yoga, often described as a journey of self-discovery and mindfulness, offers a variety of poses that are perfect for beginners. Starting this practice can be both exciting and intimidating, but understanding a few fundamental poses can ease the transition into this ancient art. One of the most accessible poses for newcomers is the mountain pose, or Tadasana. Standing tall with feet together, grounding oneself through the soles, and reaching arms overhead, this pose encourages awareness of body alignment and breath. It sets a strong foundation for all subsequent poses. Next is the downward-facing dog, or Adho Mukha Svanasana. This pose involves forming an inverted V-shape with the body, where hands and feet press into the ground, creating a gentle stretch along the spine and legs. It not only strengthens the arms and legs, but also helps to calm the mind, making it a favorite among many practitioners. The child's pose, or Balasana, serves as a resting position that invites relaxation. Kneeling on the mat, one can fold forward, allowing the forehead to rest on the ground while stretching the arms forward or alongside the body. This pose is perfect for taking a moment to breathe deeply and reconnect with oneself during a practice. Another essential pose is the cat-cow stretch, or Marjariyasana Bitilasana. This dynamic movement involves alternating between arching and rounding the back, promoting flexibility of the spine and encouraging a rhythmic flow of breath. Finally, the corpse pose, or Savasana, serves as a gentle conclusion to any practice. Lying on the back with arms relaxed at the sides, this pose allows the body to absorb the benefits of the practice, fostering a sense of peace and tranquility. By incorporating these beginner-friendly poses, anyone can embark on a fulfilling yoga journey, cultivating strength, flexibility, and mindfulness along the way.